Want reliable backup power wherever you go? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best portable power stations on Amazon, perfect for camping, emergencies, road trips, and outdoor adventures. From high-capacity batteries to multiple output ports and fast charging, these power stations keep your devices alive when you need them most. Stick around to see which one delivers the best performance. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss our top picks for everyday tech and outdoor gear. At number 1 we have HOWEASY 300 watts portable power station. The HOWEASY portable power station has a high power capacity of 300 watts / 64,000 mAh that can power your electronic devices for a longer duration of time, which is enough to meet your home, travel, camping needs, on an expedition, or for any outdoor usage for your power needs. Further, it can also be used during hurricanes, short-term power outages, and other emergencies. The portable power station measures 8.45 by 5.38 by 6.6 inches with a weight of about 6.1 pounds. Further, the compact and portable nature of the power station makes it easy to carry and use anywhere, thereby making it an ideal outdoor generator for your off-grid adventures. There are 3 ways to charge the portable battery supply, which can be fully charged by an AC outlet for about 5 to 5.5 hours. It can also be quickly charged using a solar generator within 5 to 6 hours through the 18 to 24 volts 100 watt solar panels when the sun is full, or it can also be charged with a 19 to 24 volts car charger. Please note that the solar panels are not included in the package. The power generator has a bright LED light that can be used as a flashlight as it has a wide range of illumination. At number 2 we have EnginStar 300 watts portable power station. EnginStar portable power station with ETL certification, and the portable size of 9 by 5.5 by 7.5 inches, weighs only 6.5 pounds, but armed with 296 Wh capacity and 300 watts AC output, EnginStar portable power station can provide enough juice to charge your phones, laptop, camera, CPAP, drone, etc. Built with two 110 volts pure sine wave AC outlets to make sure the solar generator, solar panel not included, works quieter, more efficient and more stable, which can protect your sensitive devices from damage such as laptop. 2 regulated DC outputs, 12 volts / 24 volts, can provide a stable power output for DC appliances such as mini fridge or car vacuum cleaner. EnginStar camping power station with an advanced battery management system of voltage control and temperature control. The multiple safe charging design can protect the battery bank from the damage of short circuit, overcharging and overload, to make sure you use it efficiently and safely. 100% original high-quality lithium-ion batteries support more than 1,000 times of charge cycle. The solar power generator can be charged with any compatible 12 to 25 volts solar panel included. Built-in controller speeds up the battery recharge rate. At number 3 we have ALLWEI 1200 watts portable power station. This solar generator kit includes a powerful 1200 watts portable power station and a 200 watt solar panel, giving you a reliable way to solar power your life and run essential devices like CPAP machines, drones, power tools, laptops, and phones with ease. Designed for fast recharging, the PPS 1203 supports up to 700 watts AC input for a full charge in just 1.5 hours in Q mode, or up to 400 watts solar input for efficient off-grid charging in about 6.6 to 7.6 hours with a 200 watts panel. Built with a long-lasting Lipower 4 battery, advanced BMS, and MPPD technology, it offers up to a 10-year lifespan and over 2,500 charge cycles while maintaining 70% battery health. More than an outdoor generator, it also functions as a dependable UPS, switching to backup power in just 10 milliseconds to protect your essential home devices during outages. Compact and portable at only 28 pounds for the power station and 17 pounds for the foldable solar panel, it's easy to carry and store, while 13 versatile output ports, including AC, USB-C, USB-A, DC, and car lighter, ensure fast, flexible power wherever you need it. At number 4 we have AFERY 120 volts, 2400 watts solar generator. This complete solar power kit includes the AFERY AFP210 portable power station, 200 watts foldable AFERY AFS200 solar panels, and all essential accessories, including AC charging cable, MC4 to XC90 cable, dust cover, cord storage bag, and easy-to-follow operating instructions. The AFERY 2400 watts portable power station features an XC90 DC input with a wide 12 volts to 50 volts range and up to 500 watts input, making it compatible with most foldable solar panels on the market for flexible charging options. Each S200W solar panel delivers up to 200 watts of power with a 22 volts output and 9A current, allowing the two panels together to fully charge the power station in around 5.5 hours under optimal sunlight conditions. Built with industrial-grade monocrystalline silicon cells and at high transparency encapsulation, the panels achieve up to 23% conversion efficiency while remaining lightweight, durable, and easy to carry at just 9.9 pounds each. For long-term reliability, the system uses an automotive-grade Lipower battery with over 3,500 charge cycles, offering up to 6 times the lifespan of standard batteries along with enhanced safety and stability. At number 5 we have Cybpulte 1008 Wh Portable Power Station. 1008 Wh Lipower battery and 1000 watts max AC output, built with a long-lasting 1008 Wh Lipower battery and a 1000 watts pure sine wave inverter, 2000 watts surge. The C011 safely powers a wide range of home appliances and sensitive electronics. Ideal for camping, RV living, and emergency backup. Fast charging with AC input. Full charge in 4 hours, supports AC fast charging 400 watts max, restoring 0 to 100% in about 4 hours. Also supports car charging and solar charging, MPPT built-in, giving you multiple fast and flexible recharge options anywhere. High power USB-C 140 watts PD and multiple output ports, features a 140 watts USB-C PD port, in/out, for fast charging laptops and tablets, 2 times USB QC 3.0 ports, 12 volts DC ports, and 3 times AC outlets. Power multiple devices simultaneously for work, outdoor activities, and home use. Built-in LED light with SOS and full protection system, equipped with a 2 watts LED light offering steady, strobe, and SOS modes for emergencies. Includes comprehensive protection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, short circuit, overload protection, plus battery protection systems for long-term safety. At number 6 we have Mormluck 88.8 Wh Portable Power Station. This ultra-portable power station and solar panel combo is designed to be easy to carry, with a compact, lightweight build that fits effortlessly into a backpack without taking up valuable space, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or car travel with zero hassle. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable power through 8 versatile output ports, including AC, USB-C, USB-A, DC, and QC options, allowing you to charge everyday devices like laptops, cameras, phones, tablets, radios, and USB-powered lights with confidence. The 30-watt solar panel features a high 21% to 23.5% conversion efficiency, using a built-in smart chip to safely convert sunlight while preventing overcharging and protecting your devices. With 3 convenient charging methods, wall outlet, car charger, and solar input, this power station adapts easily to fishing trips, hunting, RV travel, outdoor adventures, or home use. An integrated LED light with 3 adjustable brightness levels in an SOS emergency mode adds extra safety and convenience, providing dependable lighting and emergency signaling during power outages, roadside situations, or outdoor nights. At number 7 we have Lipower 1075 Wh Power Station Portable. This fast-charging portable power station is built to keep you powered anywhere, reaching 80% charge in just 58 minutes and delivering long-lasting energy from its 1075 Wh Lipower battery, making it ideal for RV trips, camping, off-grid adventures, and home emergencies. Designed for durability and sustainability, it features a 4,000-plus cycle Lipower battery, IP67 waterproof protection, and a shock-resistant ABS casing, while supporting eco-friendly solar charging with zero emissions. With multiple versatile outputs including high-power AC ports, USB-C PD fast charging up to 60 watts, USB, DC, and car socket options, it easily powers everything from phones and laptops to drones, mini fridges, and essential appliances. The included 100 watts foldable solar panel lets you harness clean energy on the go, with an adjustable angle for maximum sunlight capture and a compact design that fits easily in your RV, tent, or car trunk. For added peace of mind, the built-in 10 milliseconds UPS function instantly switches to battery power during outages, protecting critical devices like CPAP machines and refrigerators when you need it most. At number 8 we have Powkey 600 watts Portable Power Station. Powkey 600 Portable Power Station is equipped with a 296 Wh lithium-ion battery pack 80,000 mAh, 3.7 volts. It can power your device at less than 600 watts. Satisfy your outdoor need. It is specially designed for power mini appliances, such as mini fridge, cooling fan, drone, air pump, projector, lamp light, and TV. It can power your outdoor electronics without worry. It's better than modified sine wave. The pure sine wave 110 volts 600 watts power will protect your sensitive devices. Besides, our R600 portable power bank with flexible handle, easy to carry to wherever you go. It is perfect for RV trip, camping, hunting, blackout, indoors/outdoors emergency. You can use the wall power socket, AC adapter charger included, carport cigarette lighter car charger cable included, to charge the unit. Of course, it is also supported to charge your backup battery supply with solar panels. Solar panels are not included. Recommended voltage range is 13 to 24 volts/4.74A. 100 watts plus solar panels are most recommended, which can greatly reduce charging time. Keep your outdoors always pumped up. At number 9 we have Zerokor 120 watts portable power station. This lightweight portable solar power station is designed to fast-charge phones, tablets, and drones while providing extra convenience with a built-in LED flashlight featuring 3 adjustable lighting modes. Powered by a high-capacity 26,400 mAh battery, it includes a clear real-time display showing battery level and output status, and weighs just 2.2 pounds with an easy carry handle, making it perfect for camping, travel, outdoor adventures, or power outages. Delivering up to 120 watts AC output, it's ideal for small electronics, with built-in protection to keep your devices safe when used within the recommended power range. Recharge it your way using 3 flexible methods: solar panel, sold separately, wall outlet via the included USB-C adapter, or car charging with the included cable, so you're always prepared. Advanced BMS safety protection and an intelligent cooling fan ensure stable, safe operation, while the compact design makes it a reliable off-grid power solution for tents, road trips, and emergency situations, complete with all essential accessories included. At number 10 we have Apowking 200 watts power station. This solar-powered generator kit comes with a high-efficiency 40 watts Apowking monocrystalline solar panel, delivering reliable performance even in low-light conditions with a 20.5% conversion rate, and includes 10 DC connectors for Y compatibility with most portable power stations. The compact 146 watt-hours, 39,600 mAh portable power station weighs just 3.3 pounds, making it easy to carry in a backpack or suitcase while providing enough capacity to power laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, drones, fans, and in-car devices for camping, emergencies, or home use. With 7 versatile output options, including dual AC outlets, multiple USB and fast charging ports, and a 12 volts DC output, it supports a wide range of everyday electronics and small appliances. Dual built-in LED flashlights with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes add extra safety and convenience during power outages or outdoor adventures. Advanced BMS protection and rear cooling vents ensure stable performance and safe operation, while the complete package includes all necessary cables, a 40 watt solar panel, and a 12-month customer support guarantee for peace of mind.